Dogecoin, is it about to pump? Doge, D-O-G-E. Or does it mean something else? Is Elon Musk playing games again with everybody? Well, likely, possibly. There's some information just sent in from Mike, one of our members. Thank you, Mike. This might encourage you to buy Doge. It probably will. Doesn't take a lot to excite people to buy the little doggy coin. But look at this. We've got some news here about the Fed. We've got all kinds of drama going on with Elon Musk and Dogecoin. But what has it got to do with Dogecoin? Absolutely nothing. But absolutely everything, because you know how it'll go. Anyway, do you want the information? Tap the like button. Get ready to pump and dump Dogecoin. By the way, I only own the S&P. I won't be joining you, but it'll provide some entertainment for many. Here we go. Doge wants to delete entire federal agencies. Vivek Ramaswamy, I can't pronounce that, I do apologize. Ramaswamy says, but of course, we're not talking about Dogecoin. You might think we are at first. I think that was Elon Musk's little play on words there to get everybody involved. Well, of course it was. Trump tapped Elon Musk to oversee government efficiency. Here's how he cuts costs at his own companies. Donald Trump has, this is a little bit small. Let me try and zoom in for you. I'm going to come on to this. You'll find this really entertaining. Donald Trump has asked, that's as much as I can get it in, I think. Donald Trump has asked Elon Musk with co-leading a new Department of Government Efficiency. Great. Musk is known for his intense work ethic and willingness to make drastic cuts to save costs. We all know what happened when Elon Musk walked into Twitter with his kitchen sink. 80% got fired. Yes. And is X working? You decide. Musk has slept on Tesla's factory floor and told SpaceX workers to walk out of unnecessary meetings. He has a very controversial approach, and it works. There's no doubt about it. President-elect Donald Trump tapped Elon Musk to co-lead a new Department of Government Efficiency. DOGE, D-O-G-E, all right? Department of Government Efficiency. He couldn't resist it, right? To reduce government spending along with the businessman Vivek Ramaswamy. Okay. Now then, at companies such as X and SpaceX, Musk is known for modeling an intense work ethic and making drastic workforce reductions to lower costs. One long-term Tesla executive who quit in August wrote on LinkedIn that work there was extraordinary, but not for the faint of heart. Here's how Musk has managed efficiency in his own businesses. Musk, X, Tesla, and SpaceX didn't immediately respond to requests for comment. Now then, this is interesting. We're not going to do much more about this, but it's interesting, D-O-G-E. It did make me blink for a moment this morning, and there are those that will use this for an opportunity to pump, of course, Dogecoin, which is a favorite of Elon Musk. Let me just finish up with this little bit before we move on to some other news today. We've got World War III to talk about, some major news today, and efficiency and concerns at NVIDIA too. Vivek Ramaswamy, a co-head of Doge, said he expects to recommend the wholesale closure of some agencies. Ramaswamy and Elon Musk have been empowered by Trump to recommend big cuts to the state. Now, you need to remember there is a law that if you are in the government, you have to disclose certain businesses and so on and so forth, because there could be conflict of interest. So he's outside of the government. It's a department outside of the government, but he's got the ear of Elon Musk. You decide whether he's really on the outside or not. I don't know. Anyway, we shall see. Many cuts would require Congress to approve. Exactly. He can't make the decision, do it himself. Congress has to approve these moves first, because remember, he's on the outside of government. Ramaswamy was last week named joint leader of the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, by President-elect Donald Trump. Its other leader is Elon Musk. On Sunday, Ramaswamy appeared on Fox News, and was asked about Doge's plan for the future of federal agencies. He gave a few specifics, but was bullish on the scope of the change to come. He said to expect certain agencies to be deleted outright, reductions in head of count for bloated areas of government, and massive cuts to federal contracting. On the campaign trail, Trump pledged to abolish the Department of Education, describing the agency as means to an end, indoctrinate America's youth. He's talking about, children going up to their teacher and saying, Miss, or Sir, as they say, whatever, or Mom. Is it in America? It's Mom. In England, it's Miss. Miss, I feel like I'm not actually a boy anymore. I want to turn to be a girl. And he's talking about that. And then the parents get told during the day, your son has become a girl. I'm not quite sure it works like that, but who knows? Maybe it does. I don't know. Maybe you'll tell me. Anyway, lots of concerns at the moment, and it looks like there's going to be lots of cuts. This was sent in this morning by Mike, some federal agencies being completely cut, not just trimmed down. What do you think of all this? Is it good for government? Is it good for Elon? Is it good for Trump? Is it good for you, the voter, the United States citizen? Remember, I can't vote. I have no say. Whatever happens, I just have to deal with it. I'm just a green card holder. It's nothing to do with me. I can't take responsibility for any of this. But not to be confused, it has nothing to do with Dogecoin. But I think Elon Musk realizes a lot of people will think, this is interesting. Do you think it's got anything to do with Doge? Will it affect the price? Do you think Dogecoin's going to go up? Leave me your comments and let me know. What's your favorite crypto? We'll have a little poll below. And we'll also on our internal pages where we have a fantastic voting system. We call it the Lucas Archie. It's better than the Fibonacci, which Sensei for some reason couldn't pronounce correctly. Over here on our page, on our community page, we have a very useful poll, and we're going to share, and I'll share with you later on today some more posts from it. But we'll have a little poll on that. Maybe are you going to buy Dogecoin with Elon Musk gaining more power in government, even if it is on the outside, if you believe that. All right, click above my head for all the links down below. You're on the outside, but you can talk to me, Elon, whenever you want. I'm just saying. Over here, I'll post more information that you might find useful, and down here as well. Big event tomorrow, of course. We've got a live CEO on the show. Going to be great. Plus, we've got NVIDIA earnings coming up as well. Take care of yourselves and each other.